Woo! Get him, girl!
Okay, we're gonna do it again. Oh.
They'll learn real fast.
Oh, it happened again. I really was one of them. I should mess with these guys.
Honey, you know this is on the video, right?
Oh, sorry. Maybe you should start it over.
Well, at least you guys didn't say anything bad.
Is that fun, girl?
Woo! Yay!
Woo!
Just getting it all.
Woo!
Yay!
Got a follower. She's getting too far away now. You gotta watch out for the kitty. If she's holding onto it and he pops it, it's gonna upset her a lot more.
Swinging it.
It's gotta be so fun for a little kid, you know? Yeah.
Remember, I'm still taking a video. I know. No, I'm just saying, because sometimes you don't think about it, and I don't want you to feel so bad on her video. She go get her presents.
Yeah. Okay.
Yippee!
See, that's why I wanted the video camera, though, so then I could take pictures and video.
Which one first, babe?
It doesn't really matter. Let her pick. Set him in front of her. See if she even notices with all the balloons around her.
Up.
Remember the wrapping paper you liked?
That's Dad. She said, nah, I'm good with the balloons.
Put them down on the floor.
Naomi. Hey, Squirt.
Baby!
What is that?
Which one do you want?
Woo! Woo!
She just wants the ribbon on it.
Up. Up. Okay.
Naomi. What is that? What is that?
Show Mommy.
Huh? Show Mommy.
Woo! Something fun for the bathtub. She just wants the balls out of it.
Yep.
Show her her other toys.
Come on. Hey.
Girl, help Daddy.
What is that?
Woo!
He said, no, I'm good with the basketballs. That's my girl. That's Daddy's girl.
She wanted the doll too. Look, she went after the doll for a second. See, look, and now she's playing with the doll. Gotta keep those away from Bubba. Bubba already ate one of those.
Yeah.
Woo! She's gonna try and eat it too.
Come on. Ready? Hey, come on.
Naomi.
Look.
Now just wait, her surprise is going to be the big one. Yay! I told you she wouldn't mind the crown. even notice it's on her head.
Alright, want me to go get the good one?
Yeah. Okay, girl. Get out of your way so you can see.
Can I move everything out of the way for you?
Whoop. Hey, girl. Naomi. You like your presents? Seem tired.
Baby.
Naomi.
Naomi.
Look
Hey,
what
babe.
Daddy got you.
Baby. Look. What is that?
It's a pony. Yeah, there's too much going on. Don't move it too far away. I want to be able to see. So I don't have to move too far.
Woo!
Woo! Whee!
Woo! Yippee! There you go. Woo! Yay! Woo! Yay!
Look at she already even knows how to get off.
Okay. Get up on there.
She wants to be able to touch the floor. Woo! It's just too much going on, huh?
Woo! Woo! Yippee! Isn't that fun?
I think she'd have more fun if she actually knew how to ride it. She's trying to bring it with her. No, she's trying to bring it with her. It just wasn't working. There you go. Woo! Yay! Naomi.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
She's trying to get down like that.
Oh, she's seeing the balloons.
That's my fault, I moved them. Go get them. You should have got her a pack of balloons. She'd have been happy. Let me out. Her crown fell off. Want to go put it back on her?
Sure. Naomi. You're supposed to go behind her.
And front. But I tilted it so then it wouldn't sit on her face at all.
I'll just do the cake right